Hello, everyone. Has it happened to you that your Bluetooth earbuds drain faster than usual? That you can't listen to music for hours like before because the battery dies too quickly? In this video, I want to talk about a few things that may be affecting the performance of your Bluetooth earbuds. I recommend cleaning the charging pins of both the earbuds and the charging case. When these pins are dirty, the battery may not charge efficiently, which affects battery life. To clean them, use a cloth slightly dampened with alcohol. Do not charge them directly from a wall outlet, as this can damage the earbud's battery. Always charge them from your computer's USB port. This provides the correct voltage and helps extend battery lifespan. Another thing I recommend is a type of battery reset for the earbuds. Take the earbuds out of the case and let the case charge for 2 hours. Place one earbud to charge, doesn't matter if it's left or right. After it's fully charged, remove it and insert the other earbud to charge for 2 hours. Finally, put both earbuds to charge together for 2 hours. This helps recalibrate the battery and in many cases improves battery performance again. You should also let the charging case drain completely. Use your earbuds normally. Listen to music, put them back in the case. Repeat until both the earbuds and the case reach 0%. Once everything is fully drained, place the earbuds in the case and charge them to 100%. This may also help recalibrate the battery. These tips work in most cases. If none of them solve the problem, your Bluetooth earbuds may need professional repair. If you enjoyed this video, I would really appreciate it if you subscribe and leave a comment. See you all in the next video.